to 30 Days of Food as Medicine Challenge, and today we're going to be talking about the most troublesome problem, constipation. Constipation is one of the major digestive disorder where bowel movements become less frequent and it becomes very difficult to pass the stool. One of the common reasons of constipations are eating diet low in fiber, inadequate consumptions of water throughout the day, sedentary lifestyle and stress. And let's change that. One of the most relied upon Ayurvedic constitution for constipation is Triphala. It is made up of 3 fruits. Basically, it acts as a laxative. It rejuvenates, detoxifies the digestive tract. You can consume it before bedtime to have a clear bowel movements the next day. Next, figs. You can either have it as dry or fresh fruit. The best way to consume it is by soaking it overnight and having it the next day in the morning. Figs are natural laxative, they're yum in taste and trust me, equally effective. The third tip is you can add a teaspoon of ghee in a glass of lukewarm water and have it. This basically lubricates the intestinal tract and promotes a soft movement of our bowel. Castor oil. You can make a ginger tea at bedtime, add a teaspoon of castor oil in it and consume to have an effective solutions for your constipation problems. And finally, flax seeds. They are highly rich in omega-3 fatty acid. They soften the stools and increase the bulk so that the constipation is relieved. Do not forget to drink a lot of water and include at least 30 minutes of daily movement to have a gut which is healthy, and trust me, that's something which is completely going to keep you disease-free, happy and healthy always. So for more such 30 days food as medicine updates, make sure you follow me.